Are you looking for a delicious weeknight dinner that's also a breeze to clean up? Then you come to the right place. Today, we're making a juicy one-pan chicken breast smothered in a creamy, garlicky lemon sauce. It's incredibly quick to make and tastes absolutely fantastic. The chicken comes out perfectly tender and moist every time, and that rich, flavorful sauce will have you craving more. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get cooking. First, let's butterfly 2 to 4 boneless chicken breasts. This is a simple trick to help them cook evenly. Next, we'll cover the chicken with plastic wrap and pound it with a mallet until it's about a 1/4 inch thick. Go ahead and sprinkle salt and freshly cracked black pepper on both sides. Now, we'll lightly coat both sides of the chicken in flour. Let's transfer the chicken to the hot pan. We'll cook each side for 3 to 5 minutes over medium-high heat until they're golden brown. Then, remove and set them aside. Up next, finally chop about 1 cup of shallots. They'll give our sauce a slightly sweeter and more delicate flavor than a regular onion. In that same pan, add a little more oil and saute the shallots for a couple more minutes. Let's mince 3 cloves of garlic to build on that savory foundation we already started. Also, the garlic provides a pungent taste that works well with the sauce. Stir for about a minute or until you can really smell the garlic. It's time to pour in 1 cup of chicken stock. Grab a lemon and carefully cut it into thin slices. Take the ends of the lemon and squeeze about 1 tablespoon of the juice into a small jar. And pour that lemon juice directly into the pan. To really elevate the sauce, let's add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and 1/2 teaspoon of chili flakes. Stir and let it simmer on low heat for about 10 minutes, or until the sauce has reduced to about 1/2 cup. Next, we'll add in 2 tablespoons each of Dijon mustard and unsalted butter. To make it creamy, pour a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Just give that a good stir to get everything incorporated. Then place your chicken breast right back into the sauce. Spoon that delicious sauce over the chicken, then add your lemon slices over the chicken. For a final touch, we'll chop about a tablespoon of fresh parsley and sprinkle it over the top. This adds a pop of color and freshness. If you're cooking more than 2 chicken breasts, be sure to double the sauce ingredients so you have enough to go around. And that's all there is to it. Now you can dig into this juicy, tender chicken, complete with that creamy, bright, zesty, and garlicky sauce. It's fantastic with rice, potatoes, or some crusty bread to soak up every last drop of the sauce. We hope you enjoyed today's recipe, and if you do, please like and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thanks for tuning in, and see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.